हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक ऑन माय चैनल ट्रैवल मास्टरी। अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल टू गेट रेगुलर अपडेट ऑन ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री। फ्रेंड्स, आज का टॉपिक मैंने अपने उन फ्रेंड्स के लिए लिया है जो एज ए ट्रैवल एजेंट, एज ए ट्रैवल कंसल्टेंट हु सर्विस द कस्टमर एज अ फ्रंट एंड एम्प्लॉय, फ्रंट एंड गाई। सो आज का पॉइंट्स मेरा उनके लिए है। ये पॉइंट्स अगर वो रिमेंबर करते हैं और इफ़ दे अपस्किल देयर नॉलेज बेसिस दीज पॉइंटर्स, बिलीव मी, दे विल सी upscaling their position in the organization ladder. So guys, इस इन पॉइंट्स को आप बार बार देखिए और उनको अप्लाई करिए until it becomes your habit, it becomes a part of your habit. Please watch this video again and again, and trust me, these information will make your life better. So let's start. Point 1 is travel planning. As a travel consultant, you know the travel planning for your customer. When I say travel planning, that means there a flight booking, train booking, visas, insurance, cab booking, any service related to the travel is part of the travel planning. So you must know these things so that whenever the customer approaches you, you comes back with the customer with competitive price, with the better rate. And it will help to gain the confidence of the customer. It will help you to retain your customer for the longer time. Second one is negotiation. Guys, this is the second essential piece which you must know to service your customer, because if you don't know negotiation skills, eventually you will end up paying more for your customer, and I'm sure customer will not like it, because your customer wants you to give the best of class service with least the money. So third one is program management. You must know the prioritization of your work. You must know the products and tools of your organization. You must know how to continuously improve your products, whatever available with you, to service your customer better. Customer service. Eventually, this is what we do. We service our customer. In travel industry, it is our endeavor to make our customers happy, to fulfill their requirement as per their expectation. So what we do in customer service is that we deliver excellent service to our customer with full of enthusiasm and lots of grace and happiness, that yes, this is what we are doing for our customer and we take pride of it. Relationship building. Guys, relationship building is again a very critical piece in our industry, because you need to have the relationship with your customer, with your organization, with your peer colleague, with your vendor, supplier, everyone, because to service your customer you need to get the information across the corner, and for getting the information and sharing the information, you need to have a better relationship. Computer skill. When I say computer skill, I'm only referring the basics of the computer, because we are not into the IT company, but we must know the our software, our tool, and then MS Office, Word, Excel, Outlook, these things which is useful to our day-to-day work. Research skill. As a corporate travel agent, you must learn this skill. Why it is important for you to learn? Because once you know the research skill, you will definitely get the best deal, and which will make your customer more happy. So you must learn this skill, as what's your other counterpart is selling, whether whatever I am selling is actually the right one and the best one of the market or not. Because what happens, whatever we sell, we always feel this is the good one, but by doing the research skill, you actually know the competition, what competition is doing. You actually know what your other colleagues and peers are doing. Maybe you must have heard that success people doesn't do the different thing, they do the thing differently. So a travel consultant sitting next to you all of a sudden becomes manager in 3 year and 4 year, and you are again working as a travel consultant. So this is all difference of that research skill and applying those skills. Communication skill is again essential. As I told in my earlier video also, communication, don't confuse your communication skill with your language skill. Communication simply means whatever you are trying to convey to your customer, he understands, and whatever he is saying, you understood very well. So this is what the communication skill is all about. So you must learn the communication skill. You must well connected with your customer when you are serving to your customer. So I hope information shared by me is very helpful to you guys. For further assistance, you can always write on comment box, and I would love to respond your query. Please do like the video. Thanks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.